Curious about the dashboard indicators and cluster display in the 2026 Chevrolet Trax? But how do these symbols enhance your time on the road? This guide will explain everything you need to know. Interior view. The dashboard of the 2026 Chevrolet Trax combines a modern digital instrument cluster with a central infotainment display for clear driving information and connectivity. The instrument cluster in the 2026 Chevrolet Trax provides the driver with key information such as speed, fuel level, engine status, and warning indicators. The LCD screen serves as the main infotainment hub, displaying navigation, audio, phone connectivity, and vehicle settings. The gear shifter allows easy transition between park, reverse, neutral, and drive for optimal control. The climate control in the 2026 Chevrolet Trax automatically regulates cabin temperature for consistent comfort. The steering wheel in the 2026 Chevrolet Trax features mounted controls for easy access to infotainment, cruise, and voice functions while driving. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder light. Front passenger seat belt reminder light. Airbag readiness light. Charging system light. Malfunction indicator light. Brake system warning light. Electric parking brake light. Service electric parking brake light. Anti-lock brake system warning light. Lane keep assist light. Automatic emergency braking, AEB, disabled light. Vehicle ahead indicator light. Pedestrian ahead indicator. Traction off light. Electronic stability control light. Electronic stability control off light. Engine coolant temperature warning light. Curve speed control light. Tire pressure light. Engine oil pressure light. Low fuel warning light. Auto stop indicator. Security light. High beam on light. Automatic high beam light. Lights on reminder. Cruise control light. Adaptive cruise control light. Door ajar light. Passenger airbag status indicator. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.